Pag nakakita ka ng diamond, square, yan o, hindi yan stop sign. Octagon na yun, octagon. Yan.
Naka-20 na ako. There's an obstruction. Can I pass?
Can I go around?
Yes. Pa, diba?
Full stop.
Ay, full stop.
Yun ang bagsak. Bagsak yun, critical yun.
Opo.
Bakit? Kasi hindi mo chinek si front, hindi mo chinek si back. Ang exam mo, it's all about ka-OA-han lang.
Okay.
Ka-overactingan lang yun. Lahat na parang yan, let's go make a laugh. Lahat na nag-exam, marunong na mag-drive. Sino mauna? You have to go. You have to go kasi first in, first out. Huwag kang mag-hesitate, -1 ka doon. Welcome back to Tiyuki TV. In this episode, we are going to take Miss Harleen to her drive test. Will it be a pass or fail? Please join us and let's find out together. Miss Harleen is already a pretty good driver. Again, it's the rules and regulations that we need to really exercise when we are taking the test. Miss Harleen is one of those who actually saw us in YouTube, and she decided to at least have a lesson or two before she takes the actual test. So we are going to help her out, and then we'll take her to the test. Let's see. Rules and regulations and safety on the road will be applied to the utmost extent. It's going to be easy. Easy to pass, easy to fail. That's why you need to practice. It's the awareness that's really going to matter the most once you take the test. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider liking and sharing the channel. Please subscribe and help the channel out. This is Tiyuki TV and this is Miss Harley's Way. Please join us and let's go. Once Okay. Matagal ka na ba dito?
Ano po, 2018.
Matagal ka na. Ba't ngayon ka lang mag-exam?
Walang lakas sa loob, natatakot.
Okay, ngayon. Ito yung almost parehas ng exam mo. Sample test score sheet mo. Okay, tingnan mo yan. If you get 15 errors, minor errors, pasado. Or less. If you get 16, then that's the time you failed. Okay, intersection, turns, backing, lane changing, parking lot driving. Dito yan. Kasi inside, you go out and then you go back. So, gagamitin mo talaga yung parking lot driving mo. Tapos, business, residential, and school zone. Dito sa critical driving error mo, 1 mistake or 1 critical driving error, bagsak na agad yan. Yan, makikialam ang examiner mo dyan. Okay. This time, before ka mag-exam, dadaanan mo itong mga to. Yung mga pre-drive checklist or yung auxiliary equipments mo. Lahat ng mga nasa harapan mo, specific yan mga tatanungin nila. Left hand mo 12 o'clock and then this right hand pwede dito, pwede mo dito kasi titingin ka sa likod, doon sa rear window mo and then mag back up ka na. Ayan.
brakes, mag-control siya. Para siya.
Oo. Ipupush ka niya na, ayun naman. Ipupush ka niya without using your gas.
So,
Siguro-
doon lang po ako titingin.
No, dito lang, gas dito. Lahat, use all of your lights. Alright, then we go straight. Okay, brakes ulit.
May brakes.
Brakes, then put it in drive. Put it in drive. Tapos, let's go. Okay, always stay in the middle. This is one way.
One.
So, itong lane mo, yung arrow mo, nasa gitna siya. So, make a right. Turn signal. Hand over hand. Okay, magaling ka na. Okay, follow your arrow. Stay in the middle. Okay, let's go make a right. Okay, tignan mo lagi yung middle ng lane mo. Then, you turn. Huwag kang mag-pre-turn ng maaga.
Okay.
Okay, stay in your middle.
Right.
Kasi one way lang ito, then you make a right turn again. Dito, palaging tinitingnan mo yung gitna ng lane mo. Saka ka palang mag-turn pag nasa gitna ka na. Diba? Okay, ngayon, magaling ka na mag-drive, oh.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, number 1, go to your correct speed. And number 2, start using your traffic check.
Okay.
Pag hindi mo na nakita yung line, full stop. Okay,
Ay, sorry.
full stop, check, check, check. Let's go straight. Yung check, check, check mo.
Straight lang po.
Let's go straight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 lang yan.
Ay, okay. Naandar din pala siya. Kaya
Yeah.
hindi ako nag-brake.
Oo.
Okay, gets
Hindi mo kailangang mag-gas.
Okay,
Yun ang automatic. Ipupush ka niya. Pero pag manual, hindi gagalaw.
Hindi ko inaano yung gas.
Let's go make a right. Ilang stop?
Dalawa.
2. So, mabilis. 1, 2, 3. Galaw ka na. Punta ka dun sa second stop. Since we're going right. Yan, sisilipin mo yan. Tsatsaniin mo yan. Left, right, left. Keep moving. Keep steering. Kailangan nandun sa correct lanes mo. Which is right and right. Yan. Now you go and put gas. Palagi ka lang dito sa correct lane mo. Okay, check. Tingnan mo, walang stop sign, di ba? You don't have to look left, right anymore. Pag nag-stop ka lang, saka ka magla-left, right, left. Alright, at the stop sign, let's go make a right turn. We're going to stop on top of the word stop. Okay, word stop. You don't see the line. Check, check, check. Okay, angat ka ulit. Nakikita mo yung maliit na manhole na yun? Angatan mo yun doon ka mag-stop.
Okay.
Para makita mo yung incoming. Yan, ganyan ka. Okay, stop. Yan. Then, pag wala na yung gitna, let's go. Okay, when I say go top left, may top left line, may top right line. Pag top left line, this is your yellow. Top left line. Top right line. So, pag sinabi kong top left, dikitan mo lang yung yellow. Pag sinabi kong top right, dikitan mo rin yung right line. Okay, be comfortable with sa mga commands. Keep right and then we're going straight. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder. Pagkapasok mo, cancel, we're going straight. Okay, ang proper distance mo up front, if you can see both rear tires and a bit of the road. Yan lagi yon, parang isang kotse yung. Kasi usually nasabi nila, what is your distance from the car in front of you? One car. Pero, how would you show it? So, dapat nakikita yung both rear tires and a bit of the road.
20, 25.
20, 25.
Ganun pala, hindi ko na pala kailangan masyadong mag-gas. No?
Especially sa loob ng DMV.
Okay.
Kaya abang-abang ka lang sa brakes mo. Abang-abang ka lang sa brakes mo. Okay, pag may tumatawid doon, saan ka mag-stop?
Doon po.
Doon sa end of the broken line.
Ay, okay.
Kasi hindi ka pwede mag-stop in the middle of your intersection. Keep clear sign on top of your crosswalk and on top of your bike lane. So always, always before the intersection, keep clear, bike lane, crosswalk. Alright, what is your speed limit?
20 to 25.
Pwede ka na mag-exam,
Oh my
oh.
God.
Tanda mo to, ha. At the traffic light, let's go make a left turn. Okay, ano yung hinahanap mo sa traffic light?
Ano po yung green?
Arrow. Do I have an arrow? Pag wala kang arrow, who has the right of way?
Sila po.
Sila. whoever is going dun sa lane na yan, so whoever's going right and straight. Okay, pero may maneuver yon, may maneuver. Okay, if you're in the middle, I mean if you're in front, pwede kang mag-wait sa middle. Okay, tandaan mo, when you make a left turn, you go to the left lane, di ba? So, yung yellow mo dito, you always connect it to your yellow doon. Kaya ka nag-a-advance kasi pag dito ka nang galing, matatamaan mo yung mga white line. Ano yun, narrow turn.
Po ako doon pag nag-green.
Pag nag-green yan,
Pero straight lang.
mag-go ka doon sa end of the yellow before siya mag-left.
Okay.
Before siya mag-curve na gano'n. Okay, this is left turn yield on green.
Okay.
This is San Francisco, LA, yung mga ganyan.
Dahil wala pong left arrow.
Dahil walang left arrow. Ayan, you go, slowly you go to the middle. Hanggang dito lang. Oh, dito ka lang. No, stop ka dito. Pag ito nasa gitna na, sabayan mo na siya. Let's go, make a left na. Pero you don't go more than the yellow. Tabihan mo lang, go top left. Yan. And then this is 35. Hindi ka,
po to?
yeah, 35 miles per hour. Hindi ka pwede sa gitna kasi ang gitna is bike lane. Dito sa right side mo, bike lane yan. So,
kahit wala pong nakasulat.
kahit walang bike lane, kahit walang nakalagay. Oo. Diyan sila tatambay pag mayroong mga nagbabike. Okay.
Kailangan ko pong ma-reach yung 35?
35. So, keep in mind lang na pag nakarating ka na ng Chevron, gitna ng Chevron and Shell, merong school zone sa gitna, kaya magto-25 yan. Ayan, proper distance. Oh, magaling ka na. Proper distance.
Ay, sorry. Ay!
It's alright.
Hindi ko.
Yan
Okay.
It's okay lang. Okay, tanda mo, nakapasok ka na, di ba? 25 na yan. Pagdating mo dito, 25 na. Kasi may school zone doon sa gitna, Ayun, yung Chinese school. Let's go straight, please.
25 naman.
25 na dito. Still, go top left. Nakadikit ka lang sa yellow line. Parang sila, nakadikit lang. Hindi naman sila nasa gitna, di ba?
Okay.
Ayun, nakadikit lang. This is a school. So, 25 yan. 25. It's okay. Huwag kang magbe-brake.
Ay, okay.
Minus 1
Okay,
yan.
gigil.
Off the gas.
Okay.
Off the gas. Okay, pag may tumawid dito, 1 car distance lang. 1 car distance. Okay, proper distance ulit. Okay, going straight. Dito sa San Mateo, meron kang train. Pag yan, nag-blinking red, stop ka na. Either dito or dito sa line. Alright, now, change lane to the left. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder, front, side. We're going to make a left turn ulit. Dito ka lang. Kasi malaki
mahaba
dito.
siya.
Mahaba. Alright, so, ang tanong mo ulit, mayroon ba akong arrow?
Wala.
Bantayan mo yan. Bantayan mo yan. Yan lagi ang tanong mo. Ang tandaan mo, you're going towards the yellow. So, sasabayan mo yan, dito ka lang. Yan. Tapos, yung pinakadulo, ito may worst scenario to. Pag nag-worst scenario lagi sa sakyan, watch out for your lights. Pag pitik niyan sa the very first pitik na yan, red, umalis ka agad. It's still, kasi lahat sila naka-stop.
So, hintay ko po itong mag-clear, no?
Yes. Yan, sabayan mo na yan. Let's go make a left. Yellow, yellow ka pa rin. And that's left turn yield on green. Yay! 30 miles. 30 miles. Naka-left na mirror, over the shoulder, pasok sa first broken line, go 10 miles per hour, then make a right turn. Ang turns left and right mo, 10 miles. Sa loob ng DMV, 5 miles.
Left and right turn po.
Pag sa labas,
10
pag
miles.
nag-left ka or nag-right, 10 miles per hour yung speed mo. Then you go back to your correct speed. Sa loob ng DMV, 5 to 10. Ayan, doon. Ano lang natin, sige lang, nakalampas na eh. It's either blue indicator or manhole nasa gitna. So hindi ka na, alam mo na pag lumampas ka doon, wrong way ka. Nasa wrong lane ka.
Kailangan kong mapag-aralan ko yung timpla ng brakes.
Correct. Let's go make a right turn, please. Ilang
Sorry,
stop?
sorry, sir.
It's okay.
Dalawa po.
Oh, you have to make sure you do it properly. May kabit yan, may kabit yan. Doon yung curve mo, doon ka lagi maghihintay. And dito ka lang. Yun. Anything na it looks moving. Yan. Before you go to left, right, left, keep moving, keep looking. You know. And then go top left. Ayan o, top left. This will be your bike lane all the time. Kahit walang nakalagay dyan ng mga signs for bikes. We go straight, please. Up. It's okay. Right of way mo yan. Huwag kang gagalaw. Keep going straight. Saan ka pumasok? Left or right? Lane.
Left po.
Okay. So, keep your lane. Keep your lane. Huwag kang mag-drift. Nice. Okay, please. Wag na. Katapos na lang yan. Kasi meron na nakaharang. Okay, after this, let's go change lane to the right. Signal, mirror, to the front side, change lane. Pag may tumatawid, shark's teeth. Yan o, shark's teeth yan.
Ay.
Parang pangil ng pating. Or that's a yield sign. Or shark's teeth ang tawag. Magaling ka na eh. Rules and regulations lang, ano? Yung brakes mo, okay lang
Yung
yan.
brakes ko.
Okay lang yan. Mag-ano ka lang yan, mag-adjust ka lang. Meron pa tayong hindi nagawa, pulling into the curve. Okay, let's go straight. Basta, make sure nakikinig ka lang sa instructions. Okay, please change lane to the left. Alright. Oh, diba? Okay, let's go. We are with Miss Harleen. Oh, ang galing na ni Miss Harleen. No? First lesson. Let's go! Kasi unang-una, you're more than 10 feet na. So, ganun lang yan.
Hindi
Madali
po
lang yan.
kailangan habulan.
Yes, huwag kang magmamadali or else yung examiner mo, binabantayan ka lang. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Woohoo! Let's go get your license.
Lala kayo ano?
Yeah. Congratulations, Miss Harleen, for the drive test. Ayun, parang wala lang. Nag-take lang ng exam. Uwi, my license.
Yay! Thank you, Kuya Jaja.
Thank you.
Thank you for all the help.
Congratulations.
Salamat. Smoothly, yes.
Nasaan yan? Pakituro.
Ako yan.
Yan, oh. Yan. Evidence
Yes.
na ang mga lessons
Talagang ano.
accurate yun. Kung ano yung nakikita mo sa
Yes.
lessons.
Kung ano po yung mga sinabi niya sa akin, hindi lang sinabi niya.
Correct. This concludes our episode for today. Congratulations, Miss Harleen, for a job well done. It's just as simple as taking the test and then going home with the license. Congratulations, have fun with your license, and please don't forget to honk every time you see me on the road. It's been a pleasure and truly was an amazing job. Thank you for joining us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider liking and sharing the channel. Subscribe to the channel, please help the channel out. This concludes our episode. Until next time, bye for now.